Before we begin, imagine turning on your faucet tomorrow and nothing comes out. No warning, no backup, just silence. It sounds like science fiction, but for millions of people, it's already reality. So, how did a planet covered in water end up running out of the one kind we can't live without? Stay with CYFacts, because these 15 connected realities will change how you see every single drop. Fact number 1. The blue planet has almost no drinking water. Earth looks full of water, but 97% is salty ocean water you can't drink. Most of the remaining 3% is locked in glaciers and deep underground. Less than 1% is actually available for 8 billion people. That tiny fraction has to run our homes, farms, and factories. And we're not just using it, we're disrupting how nature makes it. Fact number 2, climate change broke the water cycle. That water cycle was stable for thousands of years. Now it's broken. Rising heat means some places get brutal droughts, others get floods that wash fresh water straight into the sea. Snowpacks that fed rivers all year are shrinking and glaciers are melting. We get more extreme rain, but less usable water. And while the sky becomes unreliable, we're making a worse mistake underground. Fact number 3, we're draining water that took thousands of years to fill. Under our feet are massive aquifers, nature's underground tanks. We pump them to grow food and run cities, but many take hundreds of years to refill. We're taking it out 10x faster than rain can put it back. Wells are going dry, farmland is sinking, and in some places the ground itself is collapsing. And the biggest reason we're pumping so fast. Fact number 4, farming drinks 70% of our fresh water. We worrying about long showers, but your home uses less than 10% of fresh water. Agriculture uses about 70%. Growing wheat, rice, cotton, and feed for livestock takes staggering amounts of water. Add a growing population and more water-hungry diets, and inefficient irrigation is literally evaporating our future. And it's not just how much farming uses, but what it leaves behind. Fact number 5, we can destroy water without using it. A river can be full and still be dead. Every year, factories, sewage, pesticides, and plastics pollute so badly that water becomes too toxic to treat or drink. We don't run out of gallons, we run out of clean gallons. This hits hardest where most of us now live. Fact number 6, our biggest cities are hitting day zero. Imagine a city of 20 million people where taps stop. It already happened in Cape Town, Chennai, and Mexico City. We call it day zero, rapid growth. Leaky pipes and heat are pushing dozens more cities to the edge. When cities go thirsty, they reach further, stealing water from farms and rivers. And in doing so, we destroy the very systems that make clean water. Fact number 7, we're killing nature's water filters. Forests, wetlands, and healthy soil are free water factories. They filter pollution, prevent floods, and recharge aquifers. We cut forests, drain wetlands, and pave over soil with concrete. Now rain can't soak in, it just rushes off, taking pollution with it. The less nature we have, the dirtier and scarcer our water gets, and what it carries now is invisible. Fact number 8, clear water is no longer safe water. Today, scientists find microplastics, PFAS forever chemicals, and medicine residues even in crystal clear tap water. They don't break down for decades, and normal filters can't catch them all. Cleaning them is extremely expensive, which means poor communities drink them first. You can't see this pollution, but you pay for it. Just like you pay for the hidden water in everything you own. Fact number 9. Your t-shirt costs 2,700 liters of water. This is virtual water. One cotton t-shirt, 2,700 liters. One smartphone, 12,000 liters. 1 kilo of beef, 15,000 liters. Your real water footprint isn't your shower, it's your closet, your food, your tech. Trillions of liters are hidden in global trade, draining rivers in countries you've never visited. And when products cross borders, water conflicts do too. Fact number 10. The next world war could be over water. More than 260 rivers cross national borders. When one country dams a river, another runs dry downstream. As droughts worsen, water is becoming as strategic as oil. Egypt, Ethiopia, India, Pakistan, China, tensions over shared water are already rising. Water has always made us cooperate, but scarcity can make us fight. And our best insurance policy against that fight is melting away. Fact number 11. Our ancient water banks are melting. Glaciers are Earth's savings accounts. They store winter snow and release it in summer. Now they are melting faster than they grow. At first, rivers flood. Then they shrink forever. Nearly 2 billion people depend on glacier-fed rivers for drinking, farming, and electricity. Once the savings are gone, they're gone. So can't we just use the ocean? Fact number 12. The ocean can't save us yet. Desalination sounds perfect. Take salt out of seawater. But it's brutally expensive, needs huge amounts of energy, and leaves behind toxic salty sludge that kills marine life. It works for rich desert countries, but not for most of the world. Technology alone won't save us. We have to save the water we already have, starting at home. Fact number 13. A dripping tap wastes 11,000 liters a year. One leak looks small. Multiply it by 1 billion homes and you get a crisis. A dripping faucet, a long shower, wasted food, which wastes all the water that grew it, adds up to trillions of liters. But reverse it. Fixing leaks, using efficient appliances, and wasting less food can save more water than any mega dam. And those small habits fuel big innovations. Fact number 14. The solutions already exist. This isn't hopeless. Farmers now use AI sensors that water only when crops are thirsty, cutting use by 50%. Cities like Singapore recycle sewage into perfect drinking water. AI finds underground leaks before we can see them. Solar-powered desalination and graphene filters are becoming real. We created this problem, but we're also inventing our way out. The final question is, will we act in time? Fact number 15. This generation will decide the future. Water isn't just a resource, it's civilization itself. Every bite of food, every city, every job begins with it. The choices made in the next 10 years will decide if our children inherit flowing rivers or dry riverbeds in museums. Governments must invest, industries must change, and we must value every drop. History won't remember us for running out of water. It will remember us for protecting it just in time. If a simple glass of water looks different to you now, this video did its job. Save a drop, start a conversation, share this with someone who still thinks water will always be there. This is CYFacts, where facts don't just inform you, they change how you see the world. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.